Welcome back to Tim AI Tool US, where we transform powerful AI tools into real-world results. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT 5 in the simplest and most practical ways. No coding knowledge needed, no complicated tech skills required. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a website, build mini apps, analyze markets, write professional reports, design personalized study plans, and even generate unlimited YouTube scripts directly from ChatGPT. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll reveal a bonus workflow that combines ChatGPT with free online tools to help you launch your first digital product fast. Let's get started. Section 1. Build a complete website. The first feature is one of the most practical. ChatGPT 5 can generate a fully functional website with just one command. Simply describe what you want, and ChatGPT returns the entire HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single file. Opening the website is incredibly easy. Just copy the full code, paste it into Notepad, and save the file with any name you like, as long as it ends with .html, such as index.html. Make sure to choose Save as Type, All Files. After saving, double-click the file, and your website instantly loads in your browser. As you can see here, everything works. Layout, buttons, images, animations. And if you want to customize anything, like the color palette, fonts, images, sign-up section, or even a payment integration, just ask ChatGPT, and it will rewrite the entire code for you. This is one of the fastest ways to build a website without writing a single line of code. Section 2. Create quiz apps for kids. The second feature is perfect for parents and teachers. ChatGPT 5 can generate small interactive apps like math quizzes, vocabulary tests, flashcards, and quick reaction games. All you need to do is describe the interface, the color theme, the timer, and the type of questions you want. ChatGPT will automatically write the entire code, including the quiz logic, scoring system, timer, and user interface. After saving the file as a .html page, your quiz will run instantly, just like the one I'm showing you here. You can take a moment to test it, answer a few questions, watch the timer countdown, and see how the score updates. The best part is that everything is customizable. If you want bigger buttons, brighter colors, harder questions, or sound effects, just ask ChatGPT. And if any error appears, simply copy the error message back into ChatGPT, and it will fix the entire program for you. This makes it incredibly easy to create educational tools for kids in just minutes. Section 3. Real-time market and competitor analysis. The third feature is extremely powerful for business owners, freelancers, and online entrepreneurs. ChatGPT 5 can now analyze real-time information from the internet, allowing you to research markets, compare products, study competitors, and find profitable niches faster than ever before. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze the top affiliate marketing courses in the US. It will generate a full comparison table showing pricing, pros, cons, unique selling points, and even recommendations on how to compete. As you're seeing on the screen, the analysis looks clean and professional, almost like a sci-fi dashboard. This feature saves hours of manual research and helps you make smarter business decisions. Section 4. Write professional reports. The fourth feature is extremely helpful for students, marketers, researchers, and anyone needing professional-grade writing. ChatGPT 5 can create full reports with headings, data, statistics, charts descriptions, APA or MLA formatting, and detailed conclusions. For example, you can request a 1,500-word report on e-commerce trends in 2025, and ChatGPT will instantly write a structured, clean, high-quality document. You can then expand any section, add more statistics, strengthen the conclusion, or export the whole thing into a PDF. As you can see here, each section unfolds smoothly like a Notion document, making it easy to follow and present. Section 5. Personalized study plans. The next feature is one of my favorites. Personalized study plans. With ChatGPT 5, you can create a complete 30-day learning roadmap for anything: SEO, English speaking, gym workouts, public speaking, communication skills, and more. Each day includes theory, practice tasks, and a quiz question. As you see on the screen, the 30-day calendar pops up like an animated planner, with each task neatly organized. This is a completely free way to structure your learning without buying expensive courses. Section 6. Unlimited YouTube Script Generator. Finally, let's talk about one of the features that can build an entire YouTube channel: script generation. With just one command, ChatGPT 5 can write a complete video script with a strong hook, storytelling flow, detailed explanations, and a natural call to action. You can ask it to make the script longer, divide it into episodes, or adjust the tone for your brand. As you see here, the script is being generated in real time. Fast, detailed, and extremely clean. This is exactly how I create videos for Tim AI Tool US. Bonus: create digital products fast. Now for the bonus. And this is the part many of you have been waiting for. You can use ChatGPT 5 to build an entire digital product ecosystem. You can create mini tools, landing pages, ebooks, quiz games, templates, spreadsheets, or resource packs. Then, you can combine these with free tools like Canva, Gumroad, and Netlify to sell them instantly. Imagine launching your first digital product in just a few hours, something that used to take weeks or even months. With the right strategy, this can become an extra stream of income for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a powerful AI assistant like ChatGPT 5. Comment below which feature you'll try first, and let me know what AI tools you want me to explore next. This is Tim AI Tool US. Keep learning, keep building, and keep turning your ideas into real results. See you in the next video.